Taking a key step toward preserving the cougars of the Santa Ana Mountains, wildlife experts have completed a blueprint for connecting those severely inbred animals with the much larger, genetically diverse population of mountain lions east of Interstate 15. The estimated population of 16 adult cougars in the 600-acre Santa Ana range has moderate to near certain odds of extinction over the next 50 years without wildlife-friendly changes to the roadways, according to a 2019 study on the animals called cougars, mountain lions and pumas. Two recommendations in the connectivity study, completed in April, are already in motion. Both involve the I-15 bridge over Temecula Creek in Temecula and making that underpass more inviting to lions for use as a crossing. First, the Nature Conservancy won a $400,000 grant last month to draw up shovel-ready underpass plans that includes habitat restoration, sound baffling and fencing to keep people out. That money also is being used by the organization to obtain permits for the work. Second, Caltrans this month began construction of $1.5 million of wildlife fencing along 3 miles of I-15 south of Temecula Creek, where at least 4 cougars have been killed trying to cross since 2015. That fencing, part of a larger freeway improvement project, would not only deter lions from the roadway but would help steer them toward the underpass. But the connectivity study, produced by UC Davis and the Nature Conservancy, looks well beyond those efforts. It calls for an additional I-15 crossing south of Temecula Creek as well as a host of crossing improvements on highways east of the freeway, which would make it easier for lions on the east side to get to the I-15 underpass without getting hit by cars. A 2019 engineering study by Cal Poly Pomona, included in the connectivity study, provides designs for I-15 crossing alternatives south of Temecula Creek as well as an outline for work on the underpass. "What we have now is a plan informed by data and we know where we need to go," said the Nature Conservancy's Trish Smith, who contributed to the study. "Of course, we have to implement it, but we have a plan." Likely the biggest hurdle ahead will be raising money, estimated to be in the millions of dollars, to build a second I-15 crossing. But after 20 years of growing concerns for the range's lions, those studying the issue say there is more momentum than ever toward ensuring the animal's longevity. They point to the accumulation of research on the population, a growing understanding of the threats faced by the lions, and a decision by the state in April to give the lions of the Santa Ana Mountains and 5 other areas temporary protective status while considering making that standing permanent. They also note that roadway planners have increasingly embraced a role in establishing and maintaining passage for the animals. It was Caltrans, in fact, that recommended Cal Poly for the I-15 crossing engineering study.